Welcome back. My name is Justin again with Toyota's Tips. What we're going to do today is I'm going to talk to you a little about the proximity key and some of the functions it does. When I say the proximity key, I'm talking about the key fob that comes with most of your vehicles. Some vehicles still have a key that comes with it. That's not what I'm going to be talking about today. This is our Highlander Hybrid XLE. This does have a factory hitch. So it does have the kick sensor for the back gate. The proximity system is set up for 3 foot. So if you have the key on you within 3 feet of the car, it'll sense the key. And then to lift the back tailgate, you just give a kick right underneath. For most of those without that hitch installed, it's going to be right in the center. And again, it's just a kick back and forth. We don't have to hokey pokey back around, just straight in, straight out. That'll lift and lower it. If you're not sure if your car is equipped with the kick sensor, when you lift the back tailgate, there is a little white QR code that you can scan that tells you that your car has the kick sensor. To close it, it's the same functionality. With the key on you, just a straight back and forth again, that'll lower your gate. And as we continue talking about the proximity systems and some of the things it does with your key fob, again, we're with our 24 Highlander here, hybrid. What's really neat about this is on the door handle, somewhere on the door handle, if you see these little notches or ridges, it did it right there without trying. If you have the key fob on you, running your finger across those ridges locks all your doors. To unlock your doors, all you have to do is take your magic hand, put it in the door handle, and that'll unlock the doors. The great thing about the driver's side door, that beep means that only the driver's side door is being unlocked for safety and security purposes, then the driver can get in by themselves. If you need to unlock all the doors, I'm going to lock it again real quick. When you put your hand in the door, leave it in there. Again, that first beep is just the driver's side door. That second beep unlocks all the doors so all your passengers can get in the car. And then you just open up the car, get in it, start it up, and have some fun with your new Toyota. A little bonus tip, these key fobs cannot accidentally be locked into the side of your car. The system will not allow it. It'll unlock your doors and kind of beep at you. So a little safety for you, a little security that you can't lock your keys in your car by mistake.